Hi everyone, welcome you all on RPIIT Academics. Dear viewers, this is the most awaited video on chemical test for glycosides. In my previous video, we discussed about the classification of glycosides, and now this is the time to study about the various tests for the glycosides. Glycosides can be classified into cardioglycosides, anthraquinone glycosides, steroidal glycosides. So, we will discuss about one by one about the various tests. First is the test for glycosides. Cardiac glycosides can be detected by Baljet test, legal test and Killer-Kiliani test. So, in case of Baljet test, the sample of the drug is taken, it is mixed with sodium picrate and it is mixed. Afterwards, the yellow to orange color is produced. It means cardiac glycosides are present in the sample. The next is legal test for cardiac glycosides, in which the sample is boiled with the pyridine. Some drops of sodium nitroprusside is added with sodium hydroxide. Then pink to red color is produced. It means the sample consists of cardiac glycosides. The next is very important test, that is Killer-Kiliani test. In Killer-Kiliani test, sample of the drug is mixed with glacial acetic acid. Few drops of 5% ferric chloride is added. 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4 is added and the solution is mixed. Afterwards, the reddish brown color appears at the junction of the test tube. There is 2 layers which will be formed, upper layer and the lower layer. The upper liquid layer appears bluish and the lower layer consists of reddish brown color junction. This is Killer-Kiliani test. The next is Lieberman test, which is also used for the detection of steroidal cardiac glycoside. So here goes the test. In this test, sample of the drug is taken. It is mixed with chloroform, then anhydrous acetic acid is added and few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid is added. The mixture is mixed well. Afterwards, the color produced in the test tube or in the beaker will be, first it will be violet color, then it will convert into blue, and finally their green color will be produced, which signifies presence of cardiac glycosides. Next, we will move for the anthraquinone glycoside. Before studying this slide, the cardiac glycosides are aloe, cascara, they are anthraquinone glycosides, and cardiac glycosides are digitalis, belladonna, they all are cardiac glycosides. Now, moving towards the anthraquinone glycoside, we will proceed with the 2 tests. They are Bontrager test and modified Bontrager test. Dear viewers, just keep into the mind that Bontrager test is used for the O glycosides and modified Bontrager test is used for the C glycosides. For O glycoside, in this case, the sample of the drug is taken and it is boiled by adding dilute H2SO4. Afterwards, it is filtered and benzene or chloroform is added. It is shaked well. Then the mixture is separated by the addition of ammonia. Then the 2 layers, then the ammonia will be formed. In this case, the ammonical layer will turn into the pink color. It means O glycosides are present in the sample. O anthraquinone glycosides will be present. The next is modified Bontrager test. In this case, sample is treated with ferric chloride. 2 to 3 drops of sulfuric acid is added and it leads to boiling. Then the mixture is filtered and benzene or chloroform is added and it is shaken well. Afterwards, the organic solvent is separated and ammonia is added. In this case, the ammonical layer turns pinkish red in color. The difference between Bontrager and modified Bontrager test is that in case of modified Bontrager test, ferric chloride is added. Now we will study about the saponin glycosides. Licorice is an example of saponin glycoside. The two tests which signifies for the saponins are foam test and hemolytic test. As the name suggests, foam test means the production of foam. When a sample is treated with the water, it is shake well. After shaking the sample in the test tube with the water, the foam is produced, which signifies the presence of saponin glycosides. The next is hemolytic test. In this case, the sample is taken, extract of the sample. It is mixed with the solution of blood on the slide. Then it is observed under the microscope. Then hemolysis will occur, and the red blood cells present in the blood, it will burst out. It means presence of saponin glycosides hemolyzes the RBCs. So it was all about the saponin glycoside. Now we will go with the cyanogenetic glycoside test. Cyanogenetic glycoside test includes Grignard reagent test or sodium picrate test, and second is mercurous nitrate test. In case of Grignard or sodium picrate test, sample is mixed with few drops of sodium picrate. If the brick red color appears, it means cyanogenetic glycosides are present. And in case of mercurate nitrate, the aqueous mercuric nitrate is mixed with the sample and the metallic mercury color is formed. It means cyanogenetic glycosides are present in the sample. The next is for flavonoid glycosides. The test is Shinoda test. It is very important test in which the sample is treated with 95% ethanol. 2 to 3 drops of concentrated HCl is added, and the magnesium turnings are added into the test tube containing the sample. Then the color of the sample or the mixture will converted into the pink color, which signifies the presence of flavonoids. So it was all about the flavonoid glycosides. Hope you have gone through the test and you have understood it in an easy way, because I have precised all the tests in a very sweet and short manner. Hope you can crack any questions regarding the glycoside test. So dear viewers, stay tuned and be healthy. Thank you and have a great day.